He may be in that little bit of that seaweed. There you go.
Ready?
Yeah, shoot for the corner of the lake.
He's flown that before, hasn't he?
Flown the airplane, but not on floats.
Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, whew.
Bring it back towards you before you get too far out. You can't see it.
How do I?
Wait till it turns, you try to catch it back to you.
Tell him up elevator.
Just give the radio to Dan and then not worry about it.
Hold full up elevator. Now give it some power and hard rudder.
I mean, oh, right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it more power than that.
Keep your elevator up.
Yeah.
Kind of goose it.
And give it full power?
Not
No,
full.
I said give it some power.
Enough to make it move.
He's trying to tell you to turn it.
Now turn it with the rudder. No more
turn it
power.
back.
Bring it back home.
A little more power.
So you can see it better when you take off.
Bring it back home.
A little more power.
Too far out there makes it rough.
There you go.
Now, come straight. Don't get off of it. It'll turn around on you.
We used to fly with a fellow out of Cincinnati. He'd drive all the way down here and fly with us.
Yeah.
All of his planes, and some of them were pretty light, and it would be a heavy wind. He never had a rudder.
Really?
He used the rudder and the propeller.
You get too far away,
I'll
you
be
can't see
there.
what you're
And
doing.
he did. I mean, I'm going all over the lake with a rudder, and he's not having any trouble.
Now keep it going that direction.
And I was
give it
having
up
trouble
elevator?
getting off the water.
Give it some
Yeah.
up elevator, yeah.
And
As soon
he
as you
said,
break
George,
water,
if you'll,
get off of
I
it."
think like I had a 9.6 prop.
Uh-huh.
He said, if you change that to a 9.5 or
Uh-huh.
9.4,
Uh-huh.
he said, you won't have any
Up
trouble. I
elevator.
did.
Yeah.
Thing would
elevator.
come off the water just
Yeah.
neat.
You did good, man.
Yeah, I did.
Put out like a real
I'll be there.
regular old airplane. Oh, just spin it like you do a regular airplane up there.